Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters, the place where we explore the coolest and most innovative tools out there. Today we're counting down 20 incredible tools that will blow your mind and change the way you work or create. Pneumatic Strap Launcher. The pneumatic strap launcher safely and efficiently throws straps using a pneumatic system, reducing effort and the risk of injury. It includes a drill strap winder kit for faster strap insertion and a quick connect fitting for easy air hose attachment. Compatible with 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch straps, it is powered by an air tank and weighs 14 pounds without the strap. Impact Drill. The impact drill features a brushless DC motor for long life and high efficiency, delivering up to 158 Newton-meter of torque for drilling, impact drilling, and screw driving. Its electronic management system and anti-kickback function protect the user and the tool, while turbo mode increases speed by up to 27%. The drill also includes a side handle, keyless metal chuck, extendable handle, ergonomic grip, integrated LED light, and battery indicator for safe and comfortable operation. Microplastics Collection Machine. Yamaha Motor, together with the Kanagawa Coastal Beautification Foundation and NHK Spring Co. Ltd., is developing a microplastics collection machine to efficiently and enjoyably remove tiny plastic fragments from beaches. The project aims to make beach cleanups fun while helping protect and preserve the marine environment. Uber Mini Bender. The Uber Mini Bender is designed for precise bending of materials up to 100 degrees, featuring an angled bending disc for accuracy. It has an engraved scale on the upper shaft for easy measurement and 2 roller stops along with 2 support rollers to ensure stability during use. The handle is removable, making the tool convenient to transport and store. Bit-Interchangeable Socket Adapter. The Bit-Interchangeable Socket Adapter allows electric screwdriver bits to be used with sockets and can be replaced if broken. It works in a straight or 15-degree swivel position, making it ideal for turning bolts and nuts. The adapter is compatible with 40-volt and 18-volt impact drivers and is made from durable alloy steel and polypropylene. Air Twister Cleaning Gun. The Air Twister Cleaning Gun quickly cleans and air dries hard-to-reach areas such as upholstery, dashboards, door panels, and ventilation shafts. Its strong pulsed air blasts, upgraded PU tube, and quick-change bottles remove dust, grease, and debris efficiently, while the flexible suction tube allows 360-degree cleaning. Low detergent use reduces running costs and maintenance. SharpTool 2.0. The SharpTool 2.0 sharpens blades in just 10 seconds, minimizing downtime and keeping you productive. It can resharpen blades up to 20 times depending on blade length and extends blade life to reduce costs by up to 95%. Its quick and efficient design makes it ideal for workshops, construction sites, and any setting where blade performance is critical. With SharpTool 2.0, you get consistently sharp blades without the hassle of frequent replacements. TurboShear. The Malco TurboShear rotary panel cutter lets you cut sheet metal faster, cleaner, and more precisely. Designed for professional contractors, HVAC technicians, metal fabricators, and serious DIYers, it delivers precision rotary cutting powered by your own cordless drill. Compact and portable, the TurboShear is ideal for on-site metalwork. EBS-260 Handjet. The Handjet EBS-260 is the world's first ultra-mobile handheld printer, offering unmatched versatility in labeling applications. Weighing only 1,580 grams, this compact printer is easy to operate and can mark a wide variety of surfaces including concrete, construction materials, plastics, metals, textiles, soft substrates, and uneven surfaces. It allows printing in different directions, lengths, and sizes, even on highly absorbent materials. JM8193. The JM8193 is a versatile screwdriver toolkit designed to make DIY projects and professional maintenance easier and more efficient. It features an upgraded handle with 3-speed torque for maximum flexibility and stress relief during use. The kit includes a high-volume container for convenient storage, and a hand-operated magnetic box plate for added functionality. Telescopic Ladder. The Telescopic Ladder is a lightweight and compact ladder made from durable aluminum, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It can be easily adjusted to the optimal height, providing a safe and convenient working platform. The ladder offers easy transport and high mobility, and its soft-close technology ensures safe and controlled retraction. Wet Sharpener. The Wet Sharpener features a powerful 180-watt low-speed motor at 95 RPM for precise, consistent sharpening without overheating. It includes dual grinding wheels for sharpening and honing, a water-cooled tray to reduce heat and residue, and an adjustable jig for accurate angles. Compatible with a wide range of tools, it is ideal for both household and commercial use. Packout Rack Kit. The Packout Rack Kit is part of a versatile and durable modular storage system designed to maximize organization and accessibility. It features sliding drawers that provide access without unstacking and allows full customization of drawer layouts. All Packout components connect to the drawers and fit inside the rack, which can stack and expand across walls to suit the needs of any fleet, job site, or shop. 2 compact mounting plates can be attached to the sides for additional storage. Rebar Tying Tool. The Rebar Tying Tool, powered by an XGT battery and dual brushless motors, delivers fast and secure tying with 1.6 mm wire. It features a wire pullback mechanism, adjustable tying strength, and easy one-step wire reel loading, making it suitable for a wide range of rebar sizes. Safety and control are enhanced with a main power switch and trigger lock, while clockwise twisting ensures reliable ties every time. XP1000. The XP1000 series is a premium line of VDE and EN 60900 compliant pliers and screwdrivers, including slimline and tethered options, certified for work on live AC circuits up to 1000 volts and DC circuits up to 1500 volts. All tools are fully insulated. The screwdrivers feature a unique dual-layer safety sheath on their blades, ensuring maximum protection and reliability for professional use. 1/4-inch torque wrench. The 1/4-inch torque wrench, made in Taiwan, is pre-calibrated to ±4% accuracy and comes with a traceable calibration certificate. It features a durable heat-treated chrome vanadium ratchet head with electroblack corrosion protection and a dual-range scale with high-contrast markings for easy torque reading. Scroll saw. The scroll saw features a spacious 16-inch by 10-inch cast iron table that accommodates large workpieces and tilts up to 45 degrees for angled cuts. Its variable speed ranges from 550 to 1,600 strokes per minute, adjustable with a simple knob for precise control. The saw is powered by a continuous 70-watt motor with a 120-watt boost for tougher cuts, making it ideal for detailed woodworking projects. Electric strap winder. The electric strap winder is designed to work with any cordless drill to quickly and easily roll up straps. It features strong, durable construction with maintenance-free dry bearing technology, allowing effortless winding of wet or dry ratchet straps. Suitable for straps from 25 to 50 millimeters in width, the lightweight winder weighs only 185 grams. Painter Plus. The Painter Plus LED work. Light delivers 5,000 lumens of bright 50-watt illumination with frosted glass to reduce glare and a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin for accurate color rendering. Its adjustable housing allows precise light direction, making it ideal for painting, wallpapering, and other renovation tasks. Inverter power supply. The inverter power supply delivers a peak output of 2,800 watts and a continuous output of 1,400 watts, providing reliable power for a variety of devices. It produces a pure sine wave for smooth, consistent AC output, making it safe for sensitive electronics. The unit features multiple output ports, including 240 volts AC, USB, and 12 volts automotive outlets, with an output indicator to help prevent overload. That's it for today's list of 20 amazing tools. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Chop Busters for more mind-blowing tool discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.